Faster. Detente yan. Relax. Good. Good. Wow.
Dami yan.
Hmm?
What's happening?
Well, it's just more out of alignment. Maybe you have been moving your head a lot more. Relax.